Hello YouTube, this is Alpha Computing and this is a review on Wakoopa application tracker. This is it here. This is the main page. This is my page, wakoopa.com/alpha computing. Link in the description. And you see here, stores quite a bit of data, quite a bit of useful data, I might add. And basically what it is it tracks the usage of your open apps, background websites, and using your websites you're using right at the moment. Pretty accurate and very useful for, well, what I want to know. And just gotta open the usage tab here, and you see we have 69 hours and 7 minutes of YouTube viewing, 49 hours on Firefox, iTunes 33, 33, 26, 21, 18, 15, 13, and so on. And then here we have background applications, which are applications running in the background. And we see Wakoopa Tracker has been running for 1042 hours. My mind shut down there. And we have all the various startup components of Macintosh. So back to the main page. As you see here, we can favorite apps. I have Photoshop, the dock, and ScreenFlow. And after that we have top 10 software. So last week my number one used software was iTunes, then YouTube, Firefox, etc. And then last month number one was YouTube, Firefox, iTunes, etc. And then here we have the newcomers, which is Google SketchUp, Font Capture. Review of Font Capture should be popping up on the screen if I have one. And underneath that is the usage graph, which I find pretty useful, which tells us that I have an average of about 50 hours a week on the computer, or an average of 8 hours a day. See there? And open up today. And we see it's about 1.2 hours. Can also add comments to people's pages. And in the sidebar here are some more useful information. And your rank. So I am ranked expert at 4, at however many points I have, and I've only been a member since July 12th 2009. I've used 416 types of different software, applications and websites that have been submitted to Wakoopa. 64% of my usage is on Mac, 20% on the web, and the remaining on Windows. Type of usage in the last hour has been internet, audio and video, utilities, and no idea what. And these are recently used, so stickies, WebKit, Windows Explorer, etc. Awards, this is the point system for your ranking up here. So you see I gained 5 points for using Dailymotion, 5 points for using Twit longer, which is a bit useless, 5 points for using Gabtastic, which is pretty cool, and 10 points for editing Font Capture, which I added some details into Font Capture. And my reviews here, contacts and teams I've joined. Now, the next thing I would like to talk about is the is the openness of Wakoopa. So we see here it's basically like Wikipedia or a wiki. So you can go in there and edit just about anything. Example here, in my previous video, which I'm not going to put up because I messed up, I changed this to Mozilla Firefox when it used to be Firefox, and I'm going to do that once again. So edit, Firefox, and I can also edit in here. And all of that. And we have Chinese people, Chinese, Korean, Japanese, whatever. No, that's Arabic. Okay, so that's that. Open source, open source license. Submit as new details, and you will see it should update to Firefox. There you go. And we also see that it's the most popular browser on Windows out of the people that actually use Wakoopa. And so we see reviews on Firefox. We can add one right now. So we'll forget that. And so moving on, as you can see here, it is supported multi-platform, Mac, Windows, Linux, and web. So for example, well, here I have the Mac version, about, so it's not want to open, Wakoopa Tracker version 1.0.8, 2007-2008, copyright, and then swap over to Windows. And you see, we go about Wakoopa Tracker, and if we refresh this, we should see the update on Mozilla Firefox. Ta-da! There we go. So this has been Alpha Computing, and this has been a review on Wakoopa Application Tracker for Mac, Linux, web, and Windows, obviously. Be sure to visit my second channel, or my partner channel, Alpha Community, youtube.com/Alpha Community. And there you can upload your own tech videos to Alpha Community. All the details are on the channel. Go check them out. And that's it. Subscribe for more videos. Alpha Computing signing off.